In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images clickable on Squarespace. If you're looking to enhance user interaction on your Squarespace website, making your images clickable is an excellent way to do it. Not only does this add an engaging touch to your site, but it also allows visitors to easily navigate through content. So let's dive right in and transform your images into effective clickable elements. To begin first, navigate to your Squarespace website. Start by heading over to your site title, which is essentially the starting point for any edits or updates you wish to make. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Edit Pages. This is a critical step because it allows you to access and make changes to any pages on your website. You'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to access and begin customizing your page. Once you're in the Edit Pages section, locate the page where you want your clickable image to appear and click on Edit. This takes you into the editable version of your page where you can start crafting and designing. With your page open for editing, look for the Add Section option. Clicking this will allow you to choose from various section types that you can add to your page, giving you flexibility in how you want your images and other content to be arranged. After adding a new section, the next step is to click on Highlight. This feature lets you draw attention to specific areas, which is particularly useful when setting up visual elements like images that you want to feature prominently. After highlighting, proceed to click on Add Block. The block feature in Squarespace is versatile, allowing you to add various types of content, including images, text, and more. Now, in the options for blocks, select Image. This is where you'll choose the image that you want to make clickable. Once the image block is added, you can then upload your desired image or select one from your library. It's an intuitive process, and Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies managing your media. With your image uploaded, you'll have another opportunity to make adjustments by clicking Highlight again, ensuring your image block stands out and is easy to identify. Repeat the highlight step if necessary to keep the focus on your elements. Once your image is positioned and highlighted to your liking, navigate to the Appointments section. This step serves as a check to maintain the flow of your page content while you're adding interactive elements. For further customization, click on Services to see additional options you can incorporate, like detailed links or descriptions associated with your clickable image. Finally, by clicking Highlight a couple more times, you'll ensure that all your chosen interactive elements are properly identified, setting the stage for a seamless user experience. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you make images clickable on your Squarespace site, enhancing the interactive quality of your web pages and providing visitors with an engaging browsing experience. Be patient as you walk through each step, and feel free to experiment with different image placements and styles.